So I got this little bitty screw. It's gonna go in right here. I lined it up, so I'm gonna use my screwdriver and just screw that in right there. Got that on. Alright, so this is where you charge your phone at. Right here. I'm gonna put my phone on it and see what happens. So I set my phone on here and it does charge it. So my iPhone will work. It's awesome. I love it. This is a really nice alarm clock. I love that I can charge my phone and just set it on there, not even have to plug it up. This is what this looks like with the charger.